you're looking to reduce plastics and cut potentially questionable ingredients in your home and your bathroom, I've got some really great stuff I was sent to review from Primal Life. We've got powdered charcoal infused bamboo, copper, and mineral based stuff. Really excited to try these out. A little nervous if I'm gonna be honest. I've never tried a powdered toothpaste before. So we're gonna go through them. I'm gonna give you honest thoughts and opinions, my review, and see if I think that these are worth swapping out my usual go-to stuff in the bathroom. This is Primal Life's charcoal infused bamboo toothbrush centimeter review. The brush itself is a bamboo. It feels really nice and smooth, no splinters or anything. Just really gorgeous, honestly. A really fun new look. And then here is the brush head. Soft but firm, charcoal infused bristles. Look at the nice shape there, gonna help you get every nook and cranny. It's a great shape and size, so I'd say it's adult size. It might work for tweens, but not for kids. It's not really a tiny kid size shape. Oh my gosh, I love it. It says our charcoal infused toothbrush gently and naturally removes plaque while polishing and whitening your teeth. Activated charcoal binds to and removes the tannins that cause discoloration of your teeth from coffee, tea, tobacco, or other color-rich products. Well, that's the toothbrush. Next, we've got two kinds of toothpaste here. They are both powder. Powder toothpaste. I've never tried such a thing. I'm excited and scared at the same time. First, we're gonna do this one. This is the Primal Life powdered mineral toothpaste. They have a lot of flavors to choose from. This is polished peppermint with nano hydroxyapatite. This little 1 ounce tub is good for 200 plus brushes. The ingredients are on the bottom, as are the instructions. Oh my gosh. Instructions say you just wet your toothbrush, dip it down into the powder, and brush away. Feels great. I think it did a great job of brushing and cleaning. I'm feeling minty. Regarding the taste, I have to be honest, it's not like a delicious mint. It's a little bit bitter, sour, a little. It's kind of an odd flavor. I don't hate it, but I know my kids would hate it. I'm okay with it, but I don't love it. Then this is the Primal Life powdered charcoal toothpaste, whitening spearmint, 0.25 ounces. So it is like teeny tiny. It looks like a lip balm. This one is good for 60 plus brushes. And it also has that nano hydroxyapatite. Let's open this one up. So the other one is not charcoal. This one is charcoal. And the other one is just mineral. Oh, look at that. Kind of dark powder here. Wet toothbrush, dip it in. There we go. Oh my God, that's crazy. What is happening? Oh, what? Oh my God, what? Whoa, this is weird. I cannot believe this is not actually staining my teeth. It's supposed to do the opposite. Somehow. What? All right, yeah, wow. I cannot believe I went from like fully gray mouth to gorgeous teeth. Wow, and that came clean too. Oh my goodness. Okay, that one had like a very similar taste, like slightly bitter, slightly sour, slightly minty. Don't love it, don't hate it, kind of meh. This is the Primal Life Copper Tongue Scraper I was sent to review. It's really pretty. It's like a rose gold kind of color. Very bendy. And then here's the tongue scraper. It's not sharp, but it will like scrape and clean that tongue, which as we know is such an important part of dental hygiene. This is cool. Okay. That's kind of gross and satisfying at the same time. I'm impressed. I like that they are totally different from the products I have been using, so I'm kind of excited to see how it goes with these. So here we have a side-by-side of the mineral on the left versus the charcoal on the right. You can see the size difference, 200 versus 60 brushes worth of powder. And the color, obviously, with and without that charcoal. Primal Life, if you're concerned, talk to your dentist or whatever and see what they think. But I think why not? Give them a try.